All cells, including cancer cells, need energy to grow. Healthy ones have access to a plethora of different pathways to produce said energy, allowing them to deal with the occasionally changing conditions in the body. One of these is the fermentation of glucose, which can be provided by blood sugar. However, because this fermentation is quite inefficient, normal cells tend to use it only as a fallback option. In contrast, most cancer cells utilize it even under conditions where it's not strictly necessary. Of course, the degree of reliance on glucose fermentation isn't uniform and can vary with each cancer cell. Cancer cells which are growing rapidly rely more on it, whereas cancer cells growing slowly can be less reliant. So, without glucose, fast-growing cells which rely on its fermentation will either die or have to slow down their growth. Now, our goal when dealing with cancer is to reduce its growth as a whole. Any singular cells aren't of particular importance on their own. Still, reducing the number of fast-growing cells in a tumor will reduce its overall growth. And restricting the glucose it has access to will achieve exactly that. Explaining exactly how we can achieve this glucose restriction inside our bodies would be way too much to squeeze into this short, so I'll leave a link to the full article in the description and in the pinned comment below.